Hi friends, it's Miss Margaret. I miss you and I wish you all well. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own calming bottle. Some of you friends have already made calming bottles before. Now's a chance to make a new different one. First things you'll need is a clean bottle with the label removed and the lid. You'll also need some water and something fun you and your family have found to use. You can use beads, glitter, Legos, rubber bands, pepper. You can even go outside and find some rocks, sticks, anything that you want to use in your calming bottle. This is for you. I have these fun, sparkly rocks that I'm going to use. You'll also need some canola oil. You can ask mom, dad, or a family member if you can use some of it. First thing we're going to do is open up our bottle and pour the water inside. Be very careful. You want to pour it slowly. Try your best. It's all right if you spill. We can always clean it up. I'm going to leave a little bit of room for my rocks and my canola oil. Here are my rocks, and I'm going to pour them in. There they go. Look at all those rocks. Now I'm going to fill the rest of the way with canola oil. You can also put some food coloring in it of your favorite color. But Miss Margaret doesn't have any of those, so I'm going to just do this. Now we have the water, my fun item, and the canola oil. You know, Miss Margaret is really sad and really frustrated that I can't be with you friends at school. I miss you all, and I miss all of your faces. So when I'm having a big feeling, I like to use my calming bottle and shake it up. Just shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And then when I'm done shaking it, I like to take 3 deep breaths. In through my nose and out through my mouth, as I watch everything float to the bottom. Ready? My calming bottle helped me. Now I feel a lot better because I know that we're staying home to keep everyone safe. I miss you all so very much, and I want you to know that having a big feeling is okay. You can feel happy, sad, angry, worried, scared, excited. You can have these feelings and it is okay. Now you have a calming bottle to use to help with these different kinds of feelings. You can ask your family if you can go to a quiet space in your house and use your calming bottle when you're feeling not very good. You can also use things that we use at school. You can take a Spider-Man breath. You can smell the flower and blow out the candle. You can be a drain. You can take a dragon breath. You can do all these things to help you calm your body and feel better. Remember, I miss you, and as always, I wish you well.